Hello, I'm Princess Elise. We will talk about Sonic's personality. The city of Solana is ruled by me. I am the keeper of a dark secret, the Flames of Disaster, which involves the Chaos Emeralds. The game opens with the citizens of Solana celebrating the Festival of the Sun. While lighting the ceremonial torch, I had apparently suffered a terrifying hallucination of the city in flames, with a demonic creature composed of molten magma in the center. As fireworks are launched, multiple missiles hit the ground around me, and Dr. Eggman arrives with a small army of robots. He reveals his intentions to kidnap me in order to obtain the secrets of the Flames of Disaster, who is unwilling to comply. At that moment, a circle of blue wind appears around them, and the blue circle of wind revealed to be Sonic, who destroys a small number of Eggman's robots and escapes with me, while Eggman orders his robots to fire on him. As Sonic escapes, the scene switches to the side of a white-furred hedgehog named Silver, who speaks of finally locating the Iblis trigger. While running through the city when I was confused, I asked Sonic why he is helping me, but he replies that he has no special reason. Soon afterward, more of Eggman's robots attack them, and Eggman successfully captures me in the Eggmobile, while Sonic is distracted fighting them. As Eggman returns to the egg carrier, I threw Sonic her Chaos Emerald, which he catches and assures her that he will rescue her. Unconcerned, Eggman simply decides to let Sonic hold on to his emerald for the time being, and escapes on board the egg carrier as Sonic looks on. Sonic and Tails chase the egg carrier to Wave Ocean, a nearby beach, but are unable to catch up to it before it escapes. Defeated for now, Sonic and Tails decide to return to the city. After escaping the desert and entering the plains, Sonic comes to a stop. I thanked Sonic for his help, but then notices a wound on his arm. On his way to rescue me, Sonic encounters Silver once more, who, instead of attacking him, expresses concern for me as well. Sonic travels to the past alone and reunites with me. Defeating Eggman one last time, Sonic escapes the exploding battleship with me, and makes it back to solid ground. End of the description of Sonic's personality. Like, comment, and subscribe now.